The Infinity Air Purifier by Carrier is a whole house air cleaner that refreshes and purifies indoor air up to 8 times per hour. Pet dander, dust, viruses, bacteria, pollen, and other allergens invade the air we breathe. These particles are effectively trapped in the replaceable media filter, and the patented Captures and Kills technology kills or inactivates bacteria and viruses, providing healthier air for you and your family. Here's how the Infinity Air Purifier works. First, as particles enter the purifier, they're given an electrical charge, which makes them much easier to capture. Next, the particles enter the patented media filter, where the special fibers have an opposite charge, so the particles are actually attracted to them, like a magnet. The patented technology of the Infinity Air Purifier breaks the cell wall of captured viruses and bacteria, just like popping a bubble. And that means you're breathing cleaner, healthier air. Independent lab tests have demonstrated the Infinity Air Purifier's outstanding kill performance. Within just hours, up to 99% of all captured cold and flu viruses were killed. And unlike many portable air cleaners, the Infinity Air Purifier is quiet and treats all the air in your entire home.
Carrier knows how to take care of comfort within the household, and the engineering and innovation in this product is far and beyond any other brand that's made.